In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana. If you're new to Asana or just looking to tighten up your workflow, this walkthrough will show you the simplest, most reliable way to get a task into your project and make sure the right person is on the hook to complete it. The goal is clarity. A well-named task in the right place with a clear owner keeps your team aligned and work moving. First, head to Asana in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in your workspace, you'll see your sidebar with teams and projects and your main area where project content appears. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct workspace or organization, especially if you're part of multiple teams. That way, everything you create lands where your teammates expect it. Next, open the project where the work belongs. You can choose it from the sidebar or the recent projects list. Projects can be in list or board view. Either way works. The important thing is to create the task inside the project so it inherits the right context, custom fields, and permissions. This helps with reporting and ensures your teammates can find the task later. Now, click Add Task. This creates a new task row or card in your project. Give your task a clear, action-oriented title, something like Draft Q3 Update rather than something vague. In the task pane, you'll see space to add more context. If it helps your team, add a short description that outlines scope, links to relevant docs, or key acceptance criteria. Consistent, concise titles with a few guiding details save back and forth and reduce misunderstandings. With your task created, click Assignee. You'll usually find this on the right side of the task pane or in the task row, depending on your view. Assigning the task gives it a single owner, which is a best practice in Asana. You can assign it to yourself if you're responsible or to the teammate who will drive it to completion. Keep in mind, ownership doesn't mean working alone. Others can still collaborate through comments and attachments. Finally, select the person from the list. You can search by typing a few letters of their name. Once assigned, the task appears in their My Tasks, and they'll get a notification, making the handoff seamless. If timing or dependencies matter, communicate that in the task description so the assignee has all the context they need. That's it. Go to Asana, open your project, add a task, click Assignee, and choose the right owner. Keep titles clear, add just enough context, and you'll set your team up for success.